Running is a great activity, but it's not for everyone. The constant pounding of the joints on hard surfaces can do a lot of potential damage to the knees, joints, and tendons. Running a treadmill can break up some of that impact, as they often have a shock-absorbing system. But what if the running motion is still too difficult? This is where an elliptical comes into play. An elliptical machine mimics the motion of running but without impact, making it easier on your joints. There are many products available to choose from. Best under-desk elliptical machine, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best under-desk elliptical machines from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. QBE Pro Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. The QBE Pro is a simple and compact unit that will fit under any desk, allowing you to stay active while you work. This unit is super quiet, so no one will even be aware that you're using it. It also comes with some technology despite its size in the form of Bluetooth connectivity, to sync your Fitbit to it. It even has adjustable resistance, so you can easily change the intensity of your cardio. It is very smooth to use, and you can burn up to 125 calories an hour while using this machine. The great thing with compact units like this is you can also use them while watching TV, or anytime you are stuck sitting, like in a Zoom meeting, but still want to be active. Number 2. Desk Cycle Under-Desk Bike Pedal Exerciser. This is a great option that feels like a combination between an elliptical machine and a bike. It's the ideal choice if you have any knee or joint issues, as there is virtually no impact. You also have the option to get up to higher speeds because of the cycling design. This can be a great way to burn more calories and get even better cardiovascular engagement. Any time spent working can now be a time when you improve your health. The desk cycle has a low-profile design and can fit under desks as low as 27 inches. Even with its low profile, you still get some great performance with its 8 different levels of magnetic resistance. There is also an upright LCD display, so you can track your stats and monitor your progress as you exercise. The desk style is the ideal choice for seniors with its hybrid design, but is also great for all levels of ability. Number 3. Stamina in Motion E1000 Compact Strider. The E1000 is extremely compact and portable. It can easily be transported to your office or workspace, and back home. It only weighs 24 pounds, and due to its compact size can be used in every situation. If you have a smaller desk setup, this is a perfect choice. Despite its compact size, you still get a great stride motion that will feel like a regular elliptical machine. What makes this under-desk elliptical unique is that it can actually be used while standing. This is great if you have limited mobility, or are looking for something more engaging, as it can easily be converted from sitting to standing mode. It can also be used in forward and backward directions, which creates more muscle usage, and incorporates it into the hamstrings. Number 4. QBE JR1 Seated Under-Desk Elliptical Machine. The JR1 is the perfect mini elliptical that is still ergonomically designed. It will give you a lifelike elliptical motion that will properly engage your muscles and cardiovascular system. The JR1 suits all ages and all ability levels. It can be used for the average workday under a desk, can be used for rehabilitation, for seniors, and even for gamers who are sitting on the couch most of the day. It's quite a function that makes this perfect for exercising anywhere, at any time without disturbing anyone. Despite being so small, the JR1 has 8 different levels of resistance, so you can constantly change the intensity of your workouts to get even better results. This machine was designed by people who have desk jobs, so they considered all the requirements needed to make it the ideal under-desk elliptical. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Under-Desk Elliptical. Sunny Under-Desk Elliptical. This machine has all the performance and features you need to get as fit as possible, while still sitting. It is compact but has a wide base of support. It has 8 different levels of magnetic resistance, and uses a belt drive mechanism. This makes it super smooth, and extremely quiet to use. This machine is easily portable and comes with a built-in handle to make moving it around as easy as possible. If you have multiple locations you use where you could do some physical activity, this is the machine for you. You can also track your stats in real time on the LCD display. Keep track of your time, distance, speed, and calories by scanning through each category. The whole machine is still ultra compact, so you don't need to worry about it fitting under the type of desk you use. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.